Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use TikTok without internet. So firstly, head over to your TikTok application. But before heading over to your TikTok application, you have to make sure that your TikTok application is in the latest version because this is just a new version introduced to TikTok. So you just have to open the TikTok application. When you've opened TikTok application, you click on the profile option below. So when you click on the profile option below, then click on the three dash line above there. So once you click on that, click on settings and privacy. So you just have to scroll up till you see offline videos. So when you see offline videos, you click on it. So you select the amount of videos you would like to download. If it's 60, 120, 240 or 480. So you just have to select the amount of videos you want to download and click on save. So once you do that, the videos will be saved shortly and you can come back to watch them without your internet connectivity. So this is just how you can easily do this, guys. If you find this video very helpful, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to this channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys.